What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. And if you guys look behind me, you guys will notice that we are in a completely different garage. Now, I know you guys are probably wondering, Derek, where are you? What happened to the old shop that you had? Well, guys, I've officially moved in to the new shop, and look at this. It's completely finished, it's heated, it's insulated and everything, so it's gonna be so nice working on my cars here during the winter. I'm not gonna be freezing my ass off anymore. You know what, let me go ahead and give you guys a tour of the new shop. When you walk in, first thing you'll see is obviously the cars, but look at how much space this actually is. We got the S14 parked, and we still have a bunch of space right here. We could probably fit another car. We got the red S13, plenty of space in the front. We still have space in the rear. And right here is a 2-car garage door. And over here we have the FRS parked with the 1-car garage door. And we still have space up front right here. And we have a ton of space right behind it. And so you guys can obviously see this will be the lounge area. I already put the couch right here. I got the tool chest with the TV and the flags. So this wall is gonna be my designated flag area. So if you guys wanna send me any flags, whether it's your brand or a brand you like for me to hang it up on the wall, just let me know. Go ahead, DM me on Instagram, I'll send you my address, and then you can send out a flag for me to throw up in the shop. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I picked up this 75-inch TV. This shit is huge, which will be a great addition to the shop. Of course, we got the toolbox that we picked up a few months ago. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's my jack. There's not much to it. I haven't finished furnishing it or anything. I'm gonna end up painting the walls and the ceilings just to make sure it looks real nice. Over here we have some cabinets. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these. Maybe I will put some food or snacks in them. And then we have our garage heater, which is blasting right now, and it's pretty hot in here. I need to take off this jacket. And we have a TV mount right there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that. In case I do, it's right there for me. Some more wall cabinets. Oh, we got speakers in here so we can be blasting that music. And we have my welders right here. We have a MIG and a TIG welder. And since I have all this space now, I could finally start welding and set up a little table, practice TIG welding and MIG welding and all that. So stay tuned for welding content. We have all my parts right here that I need to organize. Peep this OEM coking wing though. I'm gonna throw that on the S14 real soon. We got some new wheels, we got a body kit, fenders, a bunch of stuff, and the breaker panel. So the breaker panel is set up for 200 watts. So basically anything I need to do electrical, this garage can freaking handle. So I'm super pumped for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the new shop. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. You guys like this shop or the other shop better? Now that I've given you guys a tour of the shop, it's time to jump in the point of today's video, which is working on the well-neglected Varis FRS. I technically finished this 1 or 2 months ago, but I technically didn't finish it because not everything is done yet, starting with these headlights. Now, I installed these about 1 or 2 months ago, but I never got around to wiring these up. These are fully custom RGB VLAN headlights. These run about $2,000 because they can light up any color you desire, all within the touch of your phone. So we're gonna go ahead and wire these up today. And on top of that, the FRS still doesn't have a steering wheel yet. I've been switching back and forth from this car and the S14. So today we're gonna give the FRS its very own steering wheel. I bought this Vertex wheel right here. It's deep dish style. And on top of that, we have an NRG quick tilt to install also. So first things first, let's go ahead and wire up these headlights so I can finally see what they look like with the dancing lights and all types of cool stuff. Now, I'm pretty bad with wiring. I don't have much experience. All that I've wired are like basic stuff like a stereo and bags and stuff like that. This doesn't look too complicated. It looks like it's pretty much color coded for me, so should go pretty smooth. And this is the module that will allow me to do RGB chasing stuff, this ghost module. And all I'm gonna need to install this, I'm pretty sure, are these wire crimpers and a bunch of butt connectors. So let's go ahead and get started. Lucky for me, I already wired these up for VLANs before, so I can just follow the color code I had on it before. But in case you guys don't have VLANs, the red wire on your turn signal harness on the car goes to the yellow wire, black goes to black, and green goes to white. Just like that, we got the wires all hooked up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of these. Look at that, we got all 3 turn signal wires all wired up. So now we can go ahead and toss this old VLAN wire. We don't need that anymore. Time to do the same to the other side. And in case you guys are wondering why my finger's like this, I literally just sliced myself open with this blade right here down to the meat. So your boy's in the new shop. That means I have no band-aids here or tape or anything. So I literally just grabbed some napkins and this masking tape off of the S13's hood and literally wrapped my finger, but the cut is hella deep. It's like bleeding through. Ugh. Alrighty, we got the turn signals wired up on the left side as well. Now it's time to hook up this module right here to the battery. And to do that, we're gonna use these little connectors right here. Okay, she's ready. Let's plug her into the battery. Alright, I got the module hooked up to the battery. Now the next part is a little bit more complicated. You have to take off the cover of this ghost module thing right here. And then this red wire that comes from each headlight, you have to screw it into that green thing right there. Right there. And so the driver's side is going to go on the far right, and then the passenger side is going to go to the one on the left of it. And so you're going to need a really small flathead to unscrew it, and then the wire goes in through the bottom. Alright boys, check it out. We got everything all wired up, and I know it doesn't look pretty right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in and tidy it up later. I just want to see what the headlights look like right now. Super amped. So now we're gonna do a little cold start for the FRS because the battery is completely dead, and then once I figure out how to use the app and everything, I'll show you guys what these headlights can freaking do. But for now, here's a little cold start for the boys. Than I remember. Okay boys, I got the app downloaded. Let's see if this works. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yo. Do y'all see this right now? Hold up. I'm too pumped for this. Hold up. Okay, let's see what else this can do. Oh my god. Yo, I am mind blown right now. Do y'all see this? Okay, wait, hang on. Let's see what else they can do. Ooh, let's see what Parade does. Oh my god. What the heck? This is so dope. Line dance. What does line dance do? Ooh, shit. Look at that. Oh, I know you guys see that engraving right there. That's fire. Okay, let's see what else it can do. Fireworks. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what else. Let's do Tetris. Nothing? Oh, did it just die on me? Tetris. Oh, there we go. Yo. I'm mind blown. I'm freaking mind blown right now. Look at this. Guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Is this worth the $2,000? I think this is worth $2,000 because this is probably the best mod I've ever done. Like, bro, this is just dancing. These lights are just dancing. Look at that. Full RGB, bro. We got red, white, yellow, blue, pink, whatever you want, it's there. Dang, this is freaking sick. Okay, now I kind of want to close the hood, put on the bumper, and see how she looks. Bruh, just look at it. This looks so freaking good. Oh my god. Okay, it's settled. Hands down, best mod I've ever done. Best mod I will ever do. Oh, I cannot get over this, bro. And by the way, this is the turn signals right now. Look, I can change the color. Let's say I wanted to do yellow or yellow. There we go. I can do blue turn signals. Oh, look at that. Let's turn off the turn signals. Okay, what about kaleidoscope? Okay, so the kaleidoscope's fully RGB. Starfall. Oh. Okay. Parade. Very festive, solid. Just changes colors. Strobe. Oh, that's strobing, alright. Shit, fuck going to a rave. Hey, pull up to my house, we'll turn on these headlights and we can rave real quick. Thank you once again for sponsoring this build, Limitless Retrofit. If you guys are looking for fully custom headlights or maybe even taillights, I think he does taillights too, go ahead, hit him up on Instagram. I put it right here. His prices are very reasonable. You can get a set like this for anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. So bang his line, and he doesn't just do FRS headlights, he does Evos, Subis, anything you can think of, he can get it done for you. So head over to his Instagram and check it out. Hold up, let's turn off the lights and see what it looks like. Oh my god, they're actually so bright. They are so freaking bright. Look at this. Whew. Dang, the camera is not doing this car justice right now. It's not picking up how vibrant the colors are. Man, I wish you guys could see this in person. Okay, enough fucking around with the lights. We got the headlights installed and everything. So now let's go ahead and slap on the Vertex steering wheel and the quick release. Alright boys, so we currently already have a hub installed and a quick release. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this quick release and slap on the quick tilt. And we get to keep this hub right here. If you guys are in the market for a quick release, I do not recommend this D&D one. After using it for a while, it's super hard to take on and off. It's not as smooth. Just go ahead and buy the NRG one, or if you guys want to upgrade, get WorkSpell. Look at the new quick tilt. I already went ahead and bolted it up. Let's see how it works real quick. So you pull this lever. Boom, baby. Now I have all the leg space I need, and then just like that, it's back down. All right, time to install the new Vertex steering wheel. And look at this. It came with burnt titanium hardware. Let's go. Steering wheel is on. Now it's time for the final touch, the horn button. Super simple. It says what? T&D Co. Technical and Elegant Japan since 1996. Let's see if I can put this in straight. Boom. We are good to go. Here, let's check it out. Ready? Oh, no. No, the steering wheel hits up here. No. I didn't think it would do that. Dang, I'm kind of bummed out because I wanted to be able to flip it up and leave it up, but I guess I'm either going to have to find a way to push the steering wheel out just a little bit, like maybe like a 1/4 of an inch so it doesn't hit that, or I just go ahead, suck it up, and do this. I swear, every time I work on a car, even if it's something simple like this, something always goes wrong. But now that we have this lovely steering wheel installed, let's go ahead and clean the car because it is absolutely horrendous right now. And then I can shoot some cinematics for you guys. So let's vacuum this thing up and get her looking nice. Bro, this is literally so gross. I'm low-key embarrassed that I let myself do this to this poor FRS. Look at this. This boba has been here since the last time I drove the car, which is like a month ago. So that's so disgusting, bro. I can't believe I neglected the car that bad. There's trash everywhere back here. Shit is so bad. Oh, I never even put in those interior panels. All right, let's start out. Let's grab a garbage bag and clean out this entire car. Like, bruh, look at this. A freaking mess. All right, cleaning out the trash in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look at that. Everything is clean now. Now I can finally show you guys what the setup looks like with the bride seats and the steering wheel. Cue the cinematics, baby. Boys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the new headlights. I think they look super sick. By far, best mod I've ever done. Definitely worth the money. So once again, shout out to you, Limitless Retrofits. If you guys need any custom headlights, go check him out. Here's his Instagram one more time. Alright, y'all, like always, make sure to hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. So please, please, please help your boy out. Until next time, peace out.